The FLIR C5 compact imaging camera is a versatile and user-friendly thermal imaging device. Be ready anytime to find hot fuses, air leaks, plumbing issues, and more. Inspect. Quickly find hidden faults and reduce diagnostic time. 160 by 120 19,200 pixels. True Thermal Imager. MSX, Multispectral Dynamic Imaging. 3.5-inch color display, LCD touchscreen. Bright LED flashlight, 5MP camera with a LCD touchscreen, 1 touch level/span. Improve image contrast for easier interpretation. Document. Select files in the gallery. Connect the C5 to your computer via USB. Upload directly to the FLIR Ignite cloud. Navigate through your uploaded images and documents. Securely store, organize, and backup images. Analyze images. Create professional reports. Share. Save time and share findings instantly. Keep your team or clients informed. Sync with FLIR tools. Rugged, reliable, compact. The perfect tool for every person on your team.